Well, good evening viewers and welcome to my channel. This is just an introduction to this channel in 2018. I'm somebody who has been watching a lot of YouTube and watching a lot of people on YouTube, following them for a long time. So I've decided to join the clan, as it were, and make some videos of my own. What you're looking at now is my Royal Enfield Classic 500 2014 model with the UCE engine and fuel injected and all that, and it's undergoing chain and sprockets replacement at the moment, and that's been a lot of fun. So that's not what this channel is going to be about mostly. The main project for this year is going to be Yamaha XT250, which is there, and there's a spare engine down the end there on the ground. That is going to take a lot of doing. In amongst all of that, there's going to be some other stuff with Harley-Davidson and with BMW, and various bits of woodworking around the place, and some reorganisation of the man cave. Good luck with that. Anyway, welcome to the channel, and it may not be the most interesting channel on YouTube, but that hasn't stopped many others doing it, so thought I'd give it a go myself. Cheers.